Hey, what's up guys? My name's Ollie Stone. I'm a mechanic for Justin Boschy here.
Hey guys, I'm Justin Shanty.
Today I'm here with Cameron Camera.
Of chain slap.
What's up everybody? My name's Paul Parabinos. I'm the off-road manager at Renthal. Today I'm here with Cameron Camera. Hunter Lawrence is mechanic at Factory Honda HRC Racing. He's going to show you how to install the Renthal Ultralight rear sprocket. Begin by laying out all the possible tools you'll need to perform this sprocket swap. First, start by removing your old sprocket. With your bolts laid out on the bench, be sure to apply red Loctite before reinstalling your bolts into the sprocket. Next, get your Renthal sprocket out of the package and fit it to the hub. A quick pro tip is to be sure to align your logo so your bike is always camera ready. Next, reinstall your bolts into the sprocket. After getting all your sprocket nuts started by hand on the sprocket bolts, grab your tools and begin snugging each bolt, working your way around the hub until all bolts have been tightened. With your new Renthal sprocket installed, you can then remount your rear wheel.